Good morning, YouTube. It is 6 a.m. We woke up bright and early at 5:30. We're getting ready to go horseback riding. Horsey girl! She can't come with us.
Horsey girl.
So, we were told, basically the instructions say, wear long pants and closed-toed sneakers, like tennis shoes or hiking shoes. And that's basically it, right? I think the helmets are optional, but we'll see when we get there.
Helmets are for the birds.
We got up so early because we have to be at the corral at 7:45. Like, they wrote all over the reservation and all over the email, if you are not there on time, we are leaving without you and there are no refunds. And it was a pretty penny for both. Hold on, I'll tell you how much it was. Okay, so we are doing the Lake McDonald 3-hour and 45-minute standard trail. Swan Mountain Outfitters is the company, and it was $175 per person, so it's $350 total, and it's non-refundable if you are late. So it's a 40-minute drive there, and we want to stop to get some Cowgirl coffee because that's the local coffee shop in town. So yeah,
It's a chain.
It's a chain that's local.
A local chain.
It's not Starbucks is the point.
Like Chick-fil-A.
They have really good muffin tops there, so.
I'm a muffin top.
Mike just went to walk the puppies. I gotta get the camper ready to go. So there's a couple things we do every time before we leave, without fail. First is gonna be to close the propane, just so that nothing is leaking while we're gone. And the next one, which always gets me wet, is close this water. It's gonna squirt all over the place. Ready? There you go. Good, I got it. That wasn't so bad. So, I also have to, I got my purse, I got the water. I gotta say everything out loud or I will completely forget it. I can't lock it till the dogs get back. Got his beef jerky. Goodness. Yeah, AC's on, we're good to go. Good to go. I don't know why our LED light strip is on. I don't like leaving that on at night. I don't even like having it on, period. I really don't see. We don't use it that often, but it shines into the camper next to us, which I don't think is fair. Look how pretty and peaceful it is right now. We are in the back of the campground because we got a monthly rental, and I'm pretty sure the people around us are here all throughout the summer. If not, these guys might be throughout the entire year because they have skirting that looks like they put it on during the winter. And then the people behind us, it says Oregon, but they have a lot of they have a lot of gear on the outside of the camper around it, which usually signifies like we're not moving for a bit. Yeah, it was $1,500 for the whole month to stay here, complete, all included. It's pretty great. It's cheaper than rent if you don't have a homestead. So, and we're 30 minutes from Glacier, 20 minutes from Glacier. Not bad.
Cowgirl coffee.
Oh, your beef jerky is so strong.
It's not beef jerky. This is smoked shorties.
Yeah, that's even worse. Are those the sausages you were talking about?
Oh, they're good. Yeah.
Oh, no, this one.
Yeah.
Shorty sausage.
Fellas, I used to have these back in the army, and they still slap. The camera has to hear you.
I might get the Cowgirl one, which has mocha and cinnamon and nutmeg, and it's really good.
I don't know what I want. What are those colorful ones?
They're smoothies. Smithies.
I want just like an iced tea. Something refreshing.
They have, I'm sure they have iced tea. They have tea, so.
I'm difficult. Loco Gio.
What'd you get?
Loco Gum. The Night Rider. It's good. It's blackberry, I forget what else, and Red Bull.
Blackberry, tangerine, and Red Bull.
Blackberry, tangerine, and Red Bull. Let's see. 10 out of 10. Actually, it was good. That's really good.
Well, real oppression. Turns out they don't.
This is the most annoying thing
They
I
don't
think I've
cream
ever
cheese your
experienced.
bagels for you.
First world problems, but, you know. I think you're going to have to get this all in one, like a whole bagel.
That's fine. To eat it.
Yeah. Wow, that sky looks really pretty right now. Well, guys, we're going through a Hungry Horse.
Oh no! Hungry Horse.
This town is
Oh, we passed the hotel already.
Oh, did we? Okay.
Yeah.
So
Go ahead.
there you go. You say it.
No, you tell him.
So Hungry Horse, I guess they have a little hotel here, and it shows like a really starved, frail, bony horse, and I'm like, that's an interesting concept for
He's terrifying. He's terrifying, and I really want to stay at a hotel where there's like this like emaciated horse on the front.
But we're almost there, kind of, and yeah, very, very beautiful day.
This is exactly where we were the other day for rafting, but like it feels different being here so early. With the sun,
it looks more majestic.
Yeah, sun cresting over the mountain.
You wouldn't know how large these mountains are looking through this camera right now. Well, maybe the first one, but the ones in the back, they look like nothing, but they're massive. It's that like glacier blue shining sky that's really looking pretty. Oh, look at that. Yeah, it's gonna be a nice ride today, folks. Never rode a horse, Mike.
Have you ever rode a horse, Mike?
Anytime you hear us talk like that on video, it's impersonating my father, Tommy, aka T-Mac. You guys might be seeing him soon. We'll see. Does he get camera time? I don't know if anyone's ready for that.
Depends on when.
Yeah. But how much longer? 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
All right. And here we go.
Did we get it?
We got it. Did you already say about how like having the tickets gets you through the Sun Road?
I don't remember. So you need a ticket to enter, a timed ticket to enter the Sun Road from 7 a.m. to I think it's like 5 p.m.
3 p.m.
3 p.m.
Yeah.
No. We'll verify that, but it's $2 to reserve, but the reservations are hard to get, and it seems like if you don't book far in advance, then you have to wait till the morning of to try to grab one. Anyway, obviously paying this much for horseback riding, they include another email that says, this is your ticket to entry only on this day, only to Lake McDonald Corral. So we didn't have to do that.
But it's currently 6:55, so we might get in just in time anyway, but we'll see.
Yeah.
The lighting's kind of hard to see. It's focusing on you. Very pretty, though. Yeah.
Following the Cisco truck.
Yeah. Let's see, maybe up ahead I'll get a little shot. This might be a little bit easier on the Sun Road day where we're just literally driving the whole day.
We need to clean the windshield.
Rather, I should say a repeat of the Sun Road day because the first Sun Road drive was a very cloudy day.
Well, we made it to our lodge, Lake McDonald Lodge. Why doesn't your family let us stay there for free?
That's what I've been asking myself for 33 years.
What the heck? We got here, it's 7:15. We're leaving this camera in the car. We have to walk across the Sun Road to go to the Sperry Trailhead, and I guess the corral is back there to meet them. So there is a restroom on the way there. And all we're gonna bring is the bottle of water and our phones. So probably the next footage you'll see is us on the horses with the cell phones, which mine's pretty good. So.
Yeah, mine's not. My screen's broken, the case is broken. It's 9 years old. She,
oh my gosh.
She doesn't allow me to buy a new one.
That's a lie.
Yeah.
I've asked him for the past 3 months if he wants a new phone. He would rather spend the money on a drone. Comment down below, should we get a drone? What? Hector. He's got a lot of spunk, this horse. Pull up.
When we were in the stable, he was doing this to the horse behind me. He was like, nodding.
Hey, Ray. All right, crew, get back in order. Is that me? Is that me?
Oh, what happened? Hector. Come on, Hector.
He like goes slow anyway, so just
I know. Hector.
I know you want to sleep or something.
Sea legs, am I right?
Yeah, pretty much.
They'll come back, I promise.
And then this can go back. Got it?
Thank you.
You are brilliant.